Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and we've got something a little bit different for you. Hadn't done it in a while. We're actually out here at Powercurve Motorsports. Check it out, guys. It's February, and we've got Mustangs everywhere. This is like getting me excited for Mustang Week. All kinds of stuff going on just to hang out. This is actually being put on by Baran Productions and also the Italian Stallion. And I saw them selling shirts up here. So let's see if we can maybe sneak in right here, get a little shirt. But I'm gonna show you guys all the cars around here and just the Mustangs. And I don't know, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So let's just go ahead, get into it. I heard there's some famous guys around here.
What's up, man?
What's going on? You selling their shirts? You selling the famous guys' shirts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I heard some guy named Jake. And
look at this.
wait,
I know.
you guys are live on TV. Somebody's TV. I don't know. Not live, but no, you always forget how tall I am, man.
I know. Stand over there. You're making me look short.
Man, I gotta believe you.
Yeah.
All right, I will buy one of your shirts, sir. How's it going, man? Thanks for having us out here. Yeah, we're gonna have to interview you later. Learn all about this East Coast. I need a 2X.
A 2X?
Yep.
And you're not buying it because you gave us merch last time.
Uh-oh. See, when you hand out merch, they remember. But now I'm gonna owe him, so. Now we're even Steven.
Yeah, we're even
Oh, you've
Steven.
got the logo on the back. Let's show it off, because you can get these on your website if you don't sell out.
That's
No.
the plan, but...
You might sell out.
So we got the East Coast Mustang tour right
Yeah.
there. You
I
know,
love the back.
we got the
There you go.
cars. Yeah,
you and Jake.
so-
You and Jake.
Yep.
All right, cool. What is your website in case there's any left? I forgot.
9togrind.shop.
There you go. Right here. Check it out, guys. Yeah. Okay, we're about to lose the lights. I'm gonna get as many of the cars as I can and a time lapse for you here real quick. And yeah, check out this new jacket. I'm stoked about that. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay guys, I'm actually here with the person that owns the shop, Powercurve. You guys should know if you're regulars of the channel because I keep talking about him. In fact, he probably didn't know this. Rob, I gave you a shout out in today's video that went up. You had no idea,
yeah?
did you? Yeah, you haven't seen it yet.
No,
It just went up.
I haven't seen it.
It's fine. It literally went up like 30 minutes before I got here. So yeah. Yeah, we were talking about, we got the engine from Adam for my coupe. Yeah, and you guys are going to tune it whenever I get it in the car.
Right.
So
We're gonna make some steam with that one?
I think we are. It's going to be 349 NA, and I've got like the biggest cam. I think compressions will be 12 to 1, all NA. It's going to be, you got to get it 11 so I can do pump gas. You know what I mean?
They're about to start it.
Okay, well, they got a car coming in. Anyway, you're going to be doing some dyno stuff tonight, I guess?
Yeah, a couple of them. Yeah,
Okay, all right, so we'll get those runs and yeah, come to Rob for tuning and stay tuned to the channel for more of me. Yeah, so part of what's going on here tonight is also they're doing a lot of dyno pools, things like that, and I'm not the only one here. Yeah, look, that's gonna be in the bloopers, so see you there. But check it out, look how many people, guys. All in here, ready to watch stuff go down. And this one sounds like it might have a Pro Charger. I don't know, that's what they're telling me. Let's see what it can do. So Jake, what do you think? I'm hearing this one right here has like a Pro Charger or something?
It sounds like it's got that little whistle.
It does.
Pro Charger,
But I don't know anything about these, so.
Yeah, you're a FoxBody guy. I can tell you about these. So it's a Gen 3 Coyote. It looks like an 18 because it's that rare crimson, I don't know what it is, like crimson brown,
Okay,
I think
it's only like an 18-year color. Okay.
It's an 18-year, 1-year color. Sounds like a Pro Charger. I would assume a D1X kit. That's what usually like most people run, but we'll see.
Ah, well, I had no idea, my viewers, but maybe some of them know. I don't know most of that stuff, but let's see. What do you think it'll pull then with that kind of?
If it's on pump gas, it should be, if this is a 10-speed car, I would say low 700s, going conservative.
Okay.
1E, I've seen it make close to like 830, 850.
Okay. All right. Well, then, maybe it'll be 704.
Yeah, that's a good number.
Let's find out if he was right. Were you right about? No, it's supercharged. It's not a Pro Charger.
Pro Charger.
It is.
Is it? Yeah.
All right, he was right. Look at the engine, guys.
I know. My
Charger on there. See what I make. Jake guessed about 700 to 830, depending on if it was E or not, like you guys heard. So again, I'm hoping for 704. Let's see. Is it 687? 687, all right. So 700. Pretty good guess. Pretty good guess, Jake. Okay, so Jake, last time we saw you on the channel, you were rolling around in a white car, white Mustang, but it wasn't this one. It was a FoxBody.
It was a FoxBody.
That 363.
Still white, gold wheels, you know, gotta keep the combo the same.
Yeah, actually, yeah, you still got the gold wheels. By the way, that video did great. So if this one also gets 22,000 views, I'll be very happy.
Good. I saw it did well for you.
Yeah, so I appreciate that. But yeah, what's this one?
So this is just a 2020 GT Gen 3 Coyote. It's full bolt-ons Cobra Jet. It's on 93 pump right now. It's pretty much raced all motor for 2085. That's what I have it set up for. I have it raced pretty much ready for digs.
This is one of you got 3 cars or just 2?
Right now, with some things on order, I'm at like 4.
Okay.
Yeah, as now. But
okay. And the Fox, you still love the Fox, but it's
the Fox might be for sale. Fox,
what?
Yes.
You heard it here. Okay, I'm interested.
I got an offer.
Wow.
One guy that keeps hitting me up for it, he offered me $42,000.
Okay.
For the Fox. I know it's a lot. I was like, I don't know if I could turn that down.
Yeah. Comment down below. Should he take that?
I don't know.
You might have to, man.
42 is a lot.
You're not going to get the same car back. You know that.
I know that. Yeah, I know.
But that is a lot of money, honestly.
If I get that, I'm going to just order a GT500. Okay. I have an allocation for one, so I think I might pull the trigger on that.
Man, because Derek's out of the Fox game now. You're now fighting. Everybody's getting
I got the all motor. Yeah. I got the all motor. I plan on pulling the heads, porting the heads, doing cams in it. If I keep this all motor, and then I'm gonna get a GT500 and probably keep that right at 1,000.
Okay. All right. Well, check out his channel to see if that happens. And I do want to talk more with you later about the whole tour. I know they're about to get back on the dyno, but we want to hear definitely more about that.
Yes.
Stuck one of my cars in here. I got a FoxBody. We're gonna see that. What we got here? Heads cam intake looks like. All right, so yes, there is a FoxBody actually going up now, and it looks like heads cam intake. And this guy over here was asking how much horsepower I think, and I was like 280. Well, luckily Kelly, who is co-owner, are you co-owner of Powercurve, basically?
I'm just the wife.
You're just the wife. Okay, all right.
But
So she's employed here. So oh, there we go. We missed the look.
We missed them.
Yeah, but so your guess was
275.
okay. So and she sees these a lot of times. So I'm feeling pretty good about my 280. So we'll find out who wins. Yeah. Kelly won. I said 280. It made 271. She said 275. She won. She won, Matt. Matt from Fox Trust us here.
What's up?
Rob's wife guessed how much it was going to make. So I said 280. She said 275. 271. Always trust the owner's wife on the dyno. That's the moral of the story.
There you go.
If you guys need your car worked on to get to the dyno,
There you go.
Matt.
This is the dyno we'd go to.
Yeah, this is it. Actually, this is the one we use. That's the guy we use right here. All right, I was just talking to the owner. He's heading out. Yeah, it was just heads cam intake. I think it was an Alphabet can. He said AFR 185s, and it also had a Cobra intake. So really, he was a little upset with the numbers. He wanted 300, but 271, I mean, that's in the ballpark. I made 287 with my trick flow setup, as you guys know, or if you haven't, check out that video. But yeah, he's there. So that's kind of what they make. All right, I finally got a hold of Derek because, you know, you're a little popular over here tonight, man. Look at that.
I already know what you're gonna ask me, man. Let's just get it.
No, I'm gonna go easy first. So is this Lucifer right here?
This is Lucifer. Yeah,
All right.
This is Lucifer, my 2013 GT Premium with the VMP Gen 3R on it, and it made it. It made it to Charlotte so far.
Yeah,
so.
and this is so the East Coast Mustang Tour.
Yep.
And what's the deal with that?
We've been experiencing just like winters for some reason in Virginia.
Yeah.
So, you know, Jake lives in Maryland, so he gets it a little worse.
Hey, way worse.
Yeah, so when wintertime kind of comes, we both get into this like funk because you just can't do anything. It's too cold. It started snowing every other weekend. So him and I were just like, dude, let's just pack up the cars and go. No trucks, no trailers. Let's just take the cars and go to Florida. And then we're like, you know what? we got Charlotte, North Carolina, we have Atlanta, Georgia, we have Orlando, Florida. Let's just throw events at every major city.
You've already done Atlanta, right?
No, Atlanta's tomorrow. We go to Atlanta tomorrow, and then that's Friday. Then Saturday we travel to Orlando, and Sundays Orlando's, and then we're in Florida for 5 days, and then we have to travel back.
Okay, so this all happening this week then? I didn't realize that.
For the most part, yeah, all this week, all this week.
Okay.
So yeah, but our main intention was just to get everybody out of the winter funk, you know. And I'm sure a lot of people were like stoked to see a car meet going on, because I know in Virginia where I'm from, they're just diminishing a lot. You know, there's not many of them, and we just wanted to do, you know, something like this, an event, get everybody out with their cars and just enjoy it with the nice weather. So.
Honestly, it's a great turnout. I mean, a lot of Mustangs here, but there is one glaring issue for me, is there's only like, there's my FoxBody, there's only 4 FoxBodies, and yours isn't here, obviously. So what's the deal with that? Because we've been hearing some things, I've been seeing some posts. What's going on, man? You had 2. You had 2.
I still have one right now, but it is for sale. But so I have my old 2 valve over there. That's how I started the channel. I don't know if you saw it.
I didn't see that. All right,
that's the OG blue 2 valve. So I ended up selling that car to get this car. This was a dream car of mine at the time, you know, and I grinded. I worked really hard to get this, and then I ended up buying that back. So after buying that back, you know, I enjoyed it for a little bit, and then I picked up the black FoxBody. I absolutely loved that car. But you know, with my roots being a New Edge man, if you're a New Edge guy, you want the Terminator Cobra. That's like the gold mine. So
you always wanted that.
Yeah,
I watched that video. I saw when you picked up the Terminator, and I knew it was a big moment for you.
I always wanted the Terminator, and it's kind of funny because it escalated really quickly. I was on Facebook Marketplace. That's probably where I went wrong in the first place.
Yeah, never get on there.
Nope, never get on there. And I typed in Terminator Cobra, and a 23,000 mile 2004 black Terminator Cobra popped up. It's cammed. It has a Whipple 2.3 on there, and he was asking 32,000. And in my head, I'm like, okay, this is my dream car. I have 2 cars that I could really dispose of to get this. So I put the FoxBody up for sale for 15,000, and within 10 hours, somebody wired me that money, and I was just like,
there it goes.
It's kind of in full effect now. There's no turning back, because it is what it is, and the car's sold. So,
but you still got the 4-ride.
I still have the 4-ride right now.
You're not making much content really with it,
right?
Dude,
honestly, it's hard, man. It's hard because, you know, FoxBodies are sick. Like, I'm definitely getting another one. I need another one, you know, once I get to Florida. I want a notch, I think. You know, like, I really want the notch.
Because Jake's getting rid of I talked to him earlier, he's getting rid of his Fox too, that sounds like.
I think he is.
So, I feel like you guys are getting out of the Fox game, right? Where you got
So, I will say, though, like, you know, the Cobra was just so much. You know, the prices on them are going through the roof.
Yep. And they're not going to go down.
No, they're not going down. So it was just kind of one of those things. It sucked, man. I really, really, really wanted to keep that car, and I tried to level everything to where I could keep it. It's just, financially, it wasn't smart wanting
No worries. And guys, he does this for a living. You know, it's not like me or just goofing off. So this is your business and everything. So we understand. So if you get another one, are you going to come to Foxtoberfest next year?
You know, my mom lives in Charlotte, so I might just come and ride with Jake. You know, I love the Fox scene. I love it. And it sucks, man. There's times I wake up and I'm just like,
well, if you want, I'm going to have my coupe going right then. So I've got 2, so you can drive one of mine if you don't have one, okay?
All right, well, I guess we're going to Foxtoberfest 2022.
Now I have to finish my coupe, unfortunately.
Hey,
so.
get the coupe done.
Okay.
But, no, I think I'm more than likely will be there.
Okay.
So I'm more than likely. It was an awesome turnout. It was fun. I got to taste like the Fox life. Everybody's just so humble and cool and willing to help and stuff. And you know, it's unfortunate. It is, but I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm crying and blah blah blah. I did get a Terminator out of it. My dream car, you know.
Nobody's gonna cry for you for that, so it's fine.
So,
well, awesome event, awesome turnout as always. Thanks for being on the channel. Man. Absolutely, man. I gotta do it for you guys. So.
Thank you, man.
All right, guys, getting dark out here, starting to wind up. In fact, we almost had a celebrity leave. Can you believe this? Harris Lou with Grandpa Vert.
I don't know about celebrity.
Hey, listen, you know why you're celebrity tonight? Because I'm not the only guy with a Fox out here, thanks to you.
True, there was only like 4, and I think it's down to just us 2 left.
I know.
Maybe 3 left.
One hit the dyno. I don't know if you caught that.
Yeah,
but,
I did see that one. There's more SNs out here than there are
Actually,
Foxes.
there are.
Like,
what you know why? Because these are cheap now. And you know what? These aren't. So these are all in garages.
I guess it's the new Fox, man. I don't know, but
yeah. What do you think about that, honestly?
I think it's cool. I like to see these cars coming back. I know when I was in high school, my best friend had one, and I had the Fox, and we kind of ran together. So yeah,
I have a theory on that, because I think now's the time to buy like a 94, 95 Cobra.
I agree.
Right?
They're the ones that are cheap right now, and I think some of those less than desirable parts back in the day might become desirable again. I'm really looking for the horizontal taillights to come back. You know me and my weird taillights.
I know. I love them too. Yeah, you love the graders.
Save the graders, but
I
also
do like that.
save the horizontal.
Yeah, let's see what this one got. This one's probably. Yeah, it's just the 96 to 90. I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it.
And you know, the guys back then, even though like they would change the horizontals out and then leave the blacks around on the 96 taillights, it's like, your painted horizontals look better than that. But hey, this is my opinion.
But what do we know? We're just a couple Fox guys. What do we know? Well, I had to catch you before you got out of here.
Hell yeah.
And also, so you apparently there might be a surprise for me. We might at Pitts. I might have something new potentially. Maybe. We're not getting guarantees, but
no guarantees yet.
All right.
But you know, it's been, you know, I've been busy, been working on trying to get to Daytona. You know, it's this weekend, so you know, I've been working.
Well, the best news is coming. You know what it is. Do you have any calendars left? I guess Fox Resto has them.
I still have a few.
Do you? On Shop Blue Creative?
Yeah, Shop Blue Creative, but Fox Resto still has a few too. If you're like me and you've made it to March or almost March and you still haven't put a calendar up, even though I made a calendar, you can buy one.
Yeah, and well, March. Guess what's coming in March? I know what's coming in March. My car way over there.
Yeah, exactly. So, March Madness.
If they're watching the channel, they might like my car, maybe.
Absolutely.
So if you want to see my car on a calendar, go buy this man's calendar.
And you don't know how much it pained me as a Duke fan to put a Carolina blue car in the March Madness month. You know, I had to do it for my boy Gearhead.
Yeah,
we're car folks. We can put the rivalries aside.
Hey, you know what? They love the channel, so it doesn't matter about Carolina Duke at this point.
we got to make another bet. I don't know.
No, not this year. I'm not falling for the trap this year. I already got destroyed, man.
See, I only make safe bets.
I know. You didn't bet last year to beat No more bets.
I still got the magnet though.
Okay, yes, I did finally give him the magnet back. All right, we want to catch you before we got out of here, man. Always good to see you. We'll see you at Pitts this year or no?
Possibly.
Maybe.
Okay. Still trying to get my schedule worked out.
All right, FoxBody's at the beach?
Possibly.
All right, a lot of possibilities.
Yeah.
How about on this channel? We'll see you there.
All the time.
All the time. Stay tuned. All right, guys, starting to wrap up here, but they did actually have another car on the dyno, and I didn't show it to you, and maybe that's why. Yeah, it's a BMW, so it's not a Mustang. I thought it was Mustangs only. Anyway, I don't know what the BMW got, who knows, but yeah, I just wanted to come out, have a great time here tonight. Big thanks to Derek and Jake for putting this on. Be sure to check out their YouTube channels if you hadn't. Sorry about the lighting, guys. There we go. It's a little bit better. But yeah, it was just a great time, great hangout, and I like the whole idea of this tour they're doing. Unfortunately, by the time this video goes up, it'll be over, but hopefully you guys caught it on Instagram, something like that. You got to come out. They already had Richmond, tonight Charlotte, and they're going out next to Atlanta, Georgia. I think FoxBody FX is involved in that. Check out his YouTube channel on Instagram if you hadn't. He's another good source. And also the last one's gonna be in Florida. They're heading out, yep. Actually, that might have been a fox. Hey, who knows? But we need more foxes out here, need more foxes. So that's gonna do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. I knew you were gonna do that. I knew you were gonna do it. Go follow Shadow Product. Dadgummit. Yeah, you can be the bloopers. You can do something funny.
No backwards, no backwards.
Shout out. You want a shout out? There you go, guys. It's all right here.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Beerhead 704. Things like that, and I'm not the only one here. Yeah, look, that's gonna be in the bloopers. I see you there. Did you say you watched the channel?
I love it, yeah.
Oh, he loves it. All right, there you go.
Calypso's still at Fox Resto.
We're cutting that. We're not talking about that. We're not gonna talk about that.